Hi student, welcome back to physics class. In this class, I am going to teach 11th standard physics lesson number 5, content number 5.4, moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is equal to mass into square of the distance. I equal to m into r square. Here I represents moment of inertia, m represents mass, r represents square of the distance. So moment of inertia I is equal to product of mass and square of the distance between them. The unit of moment of inertia is kilogram meter square, kg meter square. Its dimensional formula is ml square. Moment of inertia for point mass I equal to mi ri square. Moment of inertia for bulk object I is equal to sum of mi ri square. Moment of inertia of uniformly distributed mass. So from the diagram, dm is infinitesimally small mass dm, distance r from O. So the moment of inertia of a body, that is point mass, dm is considered as a point mass. The moment of inertia of the point mass di equal dm into r square, that is product of mass and square of the distance. So the body consisting of large number of particles, so total moment of inertia of the body, so bulk object moment of inertia I is equal to, so integrate above equation, I equal to integral di equal to integral dm into r square. We can use the equation. We are going to find the moment of inertia of rod, ring, disc. Next, content number 5.4, moment of inertia of uniformly rod. So consider a uniform rod of mass m, length L shown in the figure. First, the rod has to be fixed at point O with coordinate system. So it's the coordinate system that coincide with the center of mass, which is also geometrical center of the rod. Now the rod is x-axis. So consider small infinitesimally mass dm, distance x from origin O. The moment of inertia di of this mass dm about the axis di equal to dm into x square. So mass is uniformly distributed. So mass per length lambda is equal to mass per length. The mass of infinitesimally small length dm equal to lambda into dx. So substitute lambda value in this equation. We obtained dm is equal to lambda value m by L, that is mass per length into distance dx. The moment of inertia I of the entire rod, integrating the moment of inertia of the above equation, I is equal to integration di. The symbol represents integrating. Di is equal to integration dm x square. So I equal to integration, the length changes from minus L by 2 to plus L by 2. So substitute the dm value m by L x square dx. So in this equation m by L is constant, is taking outside the integration symbol. So I equal to m by L integration minus L by 2 plus L by x square dx. So integration x square dx is equal to s cube by 3. So I equal to m by L x cube by 3 minus L by 2 plus L by 2. So substitute the limits m by L, x is L square by 2, L x cube, x value L by 2. So L cube by, so 2 cubic root 8 into 3 minus L cube by 3 into 8. So I is equal to m by L cube by 3 8s are 24 minus into minus plus L cube by 24. So I is equal to m by L. So here L cube by 24, L cube by 24. So 2 L cube by 24. So cancel this. So 2 1s are 2, 12 2s are 24. So here L cube, here L square. Two 1s are 2, 12 2s are 24. L cube, L cancel square. So moment of inertia of the rod I is equal to m L square by 12.